I'm Lindsay from the Bride Link, and today I'm talking about the who, what, where, and when of how to propose. First up, let's start with the who. If your fiancé-to-be comes from a traditional family, they might be expecting you to ask their parents' blessing before you pop the big question. Make sure you have a conversation about this so you don't jump the gun and accidentally skip a step. Next is considering whether or not you want to let friends know that you're about to propose. Just consider when you're asking advice, ask yourself if they can keep a good secret. Otherwise, they might blow your cover before you even get started. Another great person to consider is a secret photographer. I love when couples have a photographer hide somewhere on the premises so they can actually capture the moment when the question's being asked. It's a memory you'll cherish forever, but having photos helps you cherish it a little bit more. Next is the what, and there's several whats to consider when you're about to propose. First, what's your cover story? If this is going to be a surprise, you need a plan of action and to make sure everybody's cover story is cohesive. Next is what will you use to decorate, if anything? Make a list of everything that you need to purchase so you don't forget anything and get flustered the day of. And another big what is the ring. What size, first of all, does it need to be able to fit on their finger? And also, what style of ring would they like? Next is the where. A few suggestions we have for places to propose would be where you had your first date, where you had your first kiss, or where you first said, I love you. You could also go to a place that you just think might be romantic, might be private, or has a beautiful scenic view. And another option is to take them somewhere where they've always wanted to go. Next is the when of how to propose. When you're thinking of when to do it, you could always do an anniversary of something, like an anniversary of your first date or when you started dating. And of course, there's always holidays. Christmas is a very popular time, but so is Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, and the 4th of July. Another time to consider? How about right now? Proposing is easy as long as you have a few tips to help you along and some friends and family that can keep your secret. For more expert wedding advice, follow us on thebridalink.com and check out our Pinterest board for engagement ring ideas.